name is Jurong and welcome to Group Theater for the Bird and Bunny Show. Now the very first bird, everyone look up there, that is Bob. Bob is a cockatoo. Now when he is ready, he will fly very low above your head and then on my hand. Looks like he's ready now. Here he comes. Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome Baba. Thank you very much. Now some of the cockatoos like Baba here, it's found in Australia and also in the southern part of Indonesia. Now during the show, thank you very much, Hope. During the show, there won't be a lot of birds flying low above your head. Is it like that? I need your cooperation. While birds are flying low, please do not reach out and try to catch or touch the birds in any way. Can we all do that? Thank you very much. For your safety and for the birds' safety as well, please remain seated at all times. 请坐下，安住手，不敢直，咱们大家安住。Thank you very much. Now the birds on stage. These are winter flamingos, and winter flamingos can be found in Africa. Most of the birds that you see here are hatched and raised right here in the birdhouse. Okay, ladies, thank you for putting me out. It's time for you to head back home. Home is that way. Our waist-high hornbill, one of the largest flying hornbills in this region. Look at her, swallowing a huge piece of papaya in just one big gulp. Now everyone, isn't she a beautiful bird? In order for our future generations to admire these beautiful birds, we must first play our part in supporting conservation. Start from the very basics. Practice the 3 R's. What are the 3 R's? Reuse, and recycle. Recycling of paper can help to save trees, and by doing so, you can see more of these birds and other wildlife back in the wild. I think Vicky here has done very well. It's time for him to fly back home. You know where home is, Vicky? We'll see you here. Bye. What's that? What's laughing? Oh, this is Suki. Suki is our food and buddy. Good afternoon, Suki. What do you want to eat? Oh, you want to get the fruit too? That's what I Oh, look everyone. I have a nice melon here. I'm going to throw the Suki. Let's see if he can catch it. Ready, Suki? 1, 2, catch me. Oh, you did it. It's okay. Suki, you go back and practice them all. But don't get called for red guy. I'm talking about the real toucans. Oh, here they are. Now these are Togo toucans, and Togo toucans is 10 miles in the rainforest of South America. Now the name, Mr. and Mrs. Pond. Now this one over here on my hand is Mr. Pond. Now that one over there is Mrs. Pond, right here. What's that? Now these humans, they are very friendly, and this afternoon, they will be flying up to a volunteer arm. Who would like to have these two birds on the hand? Young man, you go all the way to B. He will tell you exactly what to do, okay? Come on over here. Oh, you saw a squirrel running behind you. Very good. Okay, come on over here, Mr. Hawk. Very good. Now, keep very still. Don't move. Look in front. Look at the camera right in front of you and smile. Very good. Are you ready? Okay. Mr. Hawk, he's all set. There goes Mr. Hawk. Mr. Hawk, what about you? Don't move. Young man, look here. Look at me. Don't move. Huh? There goes Mr. Hawk. Very good. Ah, and here comes Mr. Hawk and Mr. Hawk. Very good. You can put your hands down now. Thank you very much. How about again for our great volunteers? Now, although these toucans, they have huge bills, their bills are actually hollow and lightweight. In fact, toucans, they are known to be very agile at flying. They are known to even catch insects in mid-flight. Now, to show you how agile these birds can be, I have two pieces of fruit here in my pocket. I'm going to throw it up in the air, and you can see these toucans catch the fruit in mid-flight. Mr. Tom will be the one to go first. Right over here, quickly. Okay, Mr. Tom, you go first. 1, 2, catch! Very good. Mr. Hawk goes there. 1, 2, catch. Whoa, very, very good. Now, there are 37 species of toucans found in the world, and so-called toucans, they are the largest. Mr. and Mrs. Hawk, they are very loyal to one another. If one flies off, the other one will actually follow. So normally, Mrs. Hawk, once again, will always lead the way. So Mrs. Hawk, you stay right here. Mr. Hawk, quickly. Home is that way. Bye-bye. See you later. There goes Mrs. Hawk. Mr. Hawk, come here. Our so-called toucans, ladies and gentlemen. The parrots, they are known as the cute dandies of the bird world. So these birds, they are extremely playful. This afternoon, we're going to have two birds having a game of basketball. On my right, this is Danny. Danny is very outreach support. On my left, this is Azhar. Azhar and Sunny are coming to you. Now we need supporters. People from here to my right, you shall support Barry. On the count of 3, you go like this. Barry, Barry, Barry. We do it together. Hold on. Together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, stop. Very good. Now people from here to my left. You will support Sunny. The name is Sunny. Okay, on the count of 3, you do the same. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Sunny. Some like to do that. Very good. What's the name? Basketball court here with me. Here we go. Remember, the louder you cheer, the faster the birds will play the game. 4 house balls on each side. Birds ready. And go! Very good. That's because Barry got the ball before. I think Barry, what happened to Barry? It's just a warm-up. Okay. So what do you want? Oh, you want one more? Do you want one more match? Not confusing. Do you want one more match?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Okay. Very good. One more match, shall we? Everybody needs a second chance. You agree? 4 more balls on each side. Very important. You must cheer much louder this time, okay? Here you go. Let's ready and go! Is really, really fast this afternoon. I think Barry here needs a little bit more practice. You think so? Yes?
Yeah.
Anyway, let's put up a very big fight. So let's give them a big hand. Barry and Sunny! Very good.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Oh, you're still cheering, huh? Very good. Now, a gentleman first is going to give away a free drink right now. Who would like to have a free drink? Raise your hand. Someone from up there. Where? Sir, you're very fast. I need you to stand up, sir. Yes, sir. The one behind you. That's right. Very good. Okay. Now, stand up on the bench so that everyone can see you, sir. Stand up on the bench. Very good. I need you to raise your right hand to the side, like this. Okay, don't move, because the bird only 7 distance one of you. Would that be okay? No problem? Not afraid of birds, right? Okay, now all you have to do, when the bird lands in your hand, do not drop your arm. Do not touch the bird. When
bird!
Simple? Very good. Let's welcome Sandy. Yeah. Okay, so raise on your right hand. Take the coupon quickly and give it to him. Don't lose that. Okay, Jesse, put the coupon down and you come back to hey. Thank you very much, sir. You put the couple free drinks after the show. You can collect the drinks at the terrace shop after. Thank you. One more volunteer. One more. Okay. Wow, look at all those hands. And this time I don't have any more drinks to give away. Now this time, I need to see money. Money in the notebook. The first person who can show me the money will get to do this. Oh, you are very fast, Adam. Oh, she's too young. If you like to do this, you need to do it yourself. Thank you. Stand up on the bench. Okay, I need you to fold the money into half. Make it small. Have you done that? Okay, hold it between your thumb and finger upright like this. Don't move, okay? Whatever happens, don't move, huh? Second, keep on money. What do you do when you see money? Quickly, don't waste time. Alright, take the money. Very good, and come back to day. Okay, man, look where this money will go. Into my pocket. Very good. You can sit down now. Thank you very much, madam. Excuse me, ma'am. Can the bird keep your money? Can? How about a hand for our generous volunteer? Thank you very much, madam. You're so nice. Thank you for doing one on one. No, I'm just kidding. Sandy will not take any more money from you, okay? In fact, Sandy will return the money to you and show up, okay? Now, if you do like to give something to the bird here at the bird park, after the show, you can, any amount will do, any amount is instructed from here. All the proceeds are going to go to the one line Singapore Conservation Fund. So you do your part in supporting conservation stuff. In return, we're going to give you something back. Look at this. This is a postcard of Picasso. Now, Picasso is the star of our 1 o'clock children's parent show, and he's also Sandy's boyfriend. Sandy has been in the park for many years, so she has a boyfriend as well. Don't believe me? Let me ask her. Sandy, come over here. Is Picasso your boyfriend? She is doing very good. Okay, now, after the show, remember, any amount you like to get back to the bus, you may. Just drop it into the box over there, okay? Okay, ma'am, I need you to stand up one more time. Your money is coming back. You can smile now. Very good. Okay. Raise your right hand inside. Very good. When Sandy puts the money down, please hold on to the money, okay? Ready? Sandy, return the money. Off you go. Don't move. Okay, very good. Put the money down, Sandy. Thank you very much. Come back, Sandy. Quickly. Very good. Thank you very much, Sandy. And thank you very much, Sandy. We'll see you later. Bye. I need 3 more volunteers. 3 more. Now this time, don't call me. Call the trainers coming up. People in the center, you will call for Hope. Hope, you like to do this for Hope. People right over here, you call for who's that? That's Danny. You call Danny. You like to do this, call Danny. Now people over there, you call for Dee. Call Dee, you like to do this. Now you can second on the show. We can't have 200 volunteers below 12 years old. And they must be about this time in order to do this. Now, let me explain why. You can see they're holding hoops. Now, the hoops can be quite heavy after a while. We do not want the child to feel tired and then drop the hoops halfway through while the birds are flying through those hoops. We hope that you can understand. We do not want any birds to get injured. We do not want the child to get injured as well. Thank you very much for your understanding. This bird here with me is Vega, coming right up. This is Joe from Katina. Now, volunteers, do not move a muscle. And those of you who are not holding the hoops, please remain seated. Thank you very much. So, now, hold on. We're going to just allow you guys to take a seat first before the birds fly. Otherwise, the birds may just knock into you. Okay, are we ready? Okay. Very good. Christina will fly first. Please sit down. volunteers inside. Please, you volunteers. Remember all the trainers who like to do this. The gentleman over there is Jack. Right in front of this lady over here is Hope. And over there, another gentleman named Dean. Paul and Amy who like to do this. Okay, now this time these two birds will be flying differently. Beta will be flying from this end of the stage, or Beta will fly from that end of the stage.
Dalawa eh.
These two birds, they will attempt
Isang pagalan sa kayo sa pagalan.
over there at the same time. Now it's not going to be easy for us to do this. So volunteers, hold the hoop really still. I need the hoop to be a little bit higher. Thank you very much. A little bit higher. Yes, very good. So loser, you can have two birds flying through your hoop, okay? Very good. Christina, ready? Ready, go!
Clap your hands, Ovio.
Beta did reach the last minute, but it's okay. I think everybody needs a second chance, so we shall give them one more try, okay? Shall we give them another chance? Yeah, okay. I need the hoop to be a little bit higher. Very good, okay. Now, Beta, concentrate. I know it's not easy, but we have to do it. Bettina, ready? Ready, go! And that was a perfect shot again for Bettina and Joe. Thank you. Three last volunteers. Remember all the trainers? I believe all the trainers have already got their volunteers. Very good. Now, take a look at the center hoop, everyone. It is covered with rice paper. Look at that. Now, rice paper is very soft and very easy to break. Big slide through the first hoop. Back through the paper hoop over there and come back from the third hoop. Now, it's not going to be easy. Once again, it takes a lot of courage. So this time, ladies and gentlemen, please remain very, very quiet. Big all volunteers ready? Are you ready, guys? Very good. Ready?
Tingnan mo naman.
Go.
Yeah. Ovio, sorry.
Here we go. And there we go. Now that, ladies and gentlemen, is Ventura. Ventura is a turkey voucher. And turkey vouchers, they can be found in Central and South America. Ventura, make your way down here. Thank you very much. Okay, then we are all set. Very good. Right here. Don't go back there. Is he going to go back there? No, he's going to go all the way out to Dean. Okay. It looks like he's enjoying his flight today. Now, vouchers, they are known as nature's undertakers. Do you know why? Why are they known as nature's undertakers? Now, that's because in the wild, these birds, they will feed on dead animals. And by doing so, they can actually prevent the spread of diseases. And that's a very, very good thing. Nature's way of disposing. Now, vultures can be very territorial, especially the big ones, just like vultures on there. Oh, look at that, stopping his feet, marking his territory. Very good. Now, Ventura, are you coming down now? Oh, yes, very good, Ventura, right over here. You want to come down here? No? You don't want to? He wants to fly all the way back home by himself? Okay, looks like he's enjoying his flight today. My colleagues are running left to right, right to left. up there. Okay, let's see whether one last time, whether you like to come down, so you can have a good view on how Ventura looks like, especially the people in front. Okay, Ventura, people right in front here would like to take a look at you. Okay, are you ready? Very good. Here. Where are you going? He's going up there. It's okay, he's right here. Let me try to give him a call. Ventura, hello. You want to come down here? See, I have something nice for you. Oh, you're all the way out there, right here. Quickly. He's not going to come down? Or he's Azar. Probably I need your help with this one. He's on the second level, right over here. Sometimes these birds, they choose the people that they want to land as well. Oh, he's right over here. Just behind here. You see him? Very well camouflaged. Just behind here. Ah, you see? He's not looking this way. Hello, you want to come down here? Okay. Azar will take over. Yes. Oh, very good. Where are you going? Oh, he's making his way up. He wants to stand there. That's because he likes the sun as well. You see, these birds, sometimes they will use the sun to actually suck their feathers. And this is a very good thing for these birds because it helps their feathers look much more beautiful. Okay, Ventura, are you ready to come back here? We have a lot of people here who would like to see you. Come on over here. Very good. Oh, finally, he's here in my hand. Thank you. Okay. Have a closer look at our turkey voucher. Okay.
No, yung bird. Ayan ang bird.
Now, do you know why vouchers do not have feathers on the head? No, you don't? That's because when they feed on dead animals have a lot of blood, right, on the head, in the body. Now, in order for them to clean off the blood a little bit later on, it's better not to have any feathers on the head. Do you agree? Yes? Very good. Now, look at Ventura. Last time we're going to look at him because he's going to make one last flight all the way up there to Daniel. So people sitting in this section, please remain seated. Because you wouldn't want to have a voucher landing on your head. It would not be a good thing. Ventura, it's time for you to fly back now. Okay? Ready? Off you go. I think he wants to play. He likes it out here. If don't tell you like Ventura, time to go home. Bye-bye. We have more of your friends coming out. Quickly. Okay? You gonna go home? Not yet? Oh, yes, she is. You're gonna go back there. Quickly. More of your friends are coming out. Very, very soon. Bye-bye, Ventura. We'll see you later. Is he down yet? He is? Very good. A big hand for Ventura. I'll tell you about you. Thank you very much. Now, let me get that all on together. Do you hear that? Do you hear the there? This is Pedro. Pedro is our talented buddy. Pedro, I can really join us this afternoon, but what are you doing? You're fishing. You can't be fishing here in the bird park unless you are really talented. Oh, wow. There they are. Wow. These are our talented everyone. Are you ready to go over there to the pond?
Wow.
No, there are 8 different species of elephants in the world. And right here in the top, we have 7 out of 8 species. Elephants, they have long gills and large saggy throat pouches, which they use to scoop fish from the surface of the water. Now, I have some fish here in the tail. I'm going to throw it into the pond over here, and you can see some scooping action at the same time. Okay, guys, ready? In those fish over there. And we have some over here. This one's for you. It looks like Pedro has caught a fish too. Pedro, rolling out quickly! Whoa. Hey, that's not a fish. That's a plastic bag. So look at how angry Pedro is in his catch. Now you see, many of these waters, they are dying recently out in the wild due to man's waste and the pollution of the sea. So remember, the next time when you go to the beach for a swim, for a picnic, or even for fishing, please do not litter. Because even the smallest plastic bag can be hazardous to these birds and other wildlife too. Now that one over there is the great white tarleton from Africa. This one over here with the black feathers, this is the Australian tarleton. And we have the very young great white tarleton right here. That is the Dalmatian tarleton, the largest in the tarleton family. And this small fellow over here, this one is the spot bill tarleton. The two of them here. Oh, that's the Dalmatian tarleton as well. Okay, guys, I got one last fish for you. Bye. No more fish. Time to go home. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Joey.
See you later.
Bye-bye,
Good
Joey.
day. Okay, let's go in. Go back home. Quickly.
Bye.
Hey, you're always the last one to come out and last one to go home. So yeah, let's dig about me starting. I'm sorry, you're late. I got no more fish here. Look, no more. Go home. Okay, Sandra, hold on, not you.
Bye.
Yeah, you have to take this plastic at home and recycle it, okay? Thank you very much, Sandra. Ladies and gentlemen,
Clap your hands, sorry.
The parents, they have long lasers with their mimicking skills. Mimicking simply means the copying of sounds that these birds hear around and frequently. This afternoon we have one of the birds to show you. This is Yang. Yang has kindly brought an Amazon parrot for me. To be precise, this is a yellow-winged Amazon, and we will be demonstrating to you some of his mimicking abilities. We're going to start with something simple. Come on, nice big hello.
Hello.
Very good. Now he has a name, and he would like to introduce himself to all of you here today. Can you tell everyone what's your name?
Amigo.
His name is Amigo.
Amigo.
For those of you who didn't catch it, one more time. Can you tell everyone again? What's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo is his name. Now, Amigo here would like to ask everyone a question. Amigo, what would you like to ask these people?
How are you?
Oh, you heard that? You want to know how are you doing today? Good or not? Very good. Now, Amigo, besides saying all this, he's also very smart. He can count. Count from 1 to 10. Now, let's do it count in English, okay? Ready, Amigo? Count 1 to 10 in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now, he's going to express you for more than 5. He's going to count again, but this time in Chinese. Okay? Listen. Amigo, ready? This time count again in Chinese.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Another one. That's really good, Amigo. Well done. Now, besides counting, Amigo can also sing very well. And he's going to sing for us 3 different songs in 3 different languages today. The very first song is a local children's song entitled Color Line. Simply means gift comes to visit. Listen to this one. Huh? Ready, Amigo? Sing this song in Mandarin. And that was good. Very good, Amigo. Well done. Very good. Now the second song is a song in Malay entitled Rasa Sayang, which means the feeling of love. Rasa feels like it's a love song. Amigo is also a very romantic song. Okay, this is a good one. Ready, Amigo? Sing Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang,
You forgot the lyrics. Hey, Amigo, you're supposed to sing the whole song, not halfway through. Don't do the short part, okay? One more time. Sing Rasa Sayang. Hey, you do your short part again. Hey, Amigo, don't try to cheat me, okay? Be good, be nice. Everyone wants to hear your song, okay? So sing it one more time. Do it properly. Do the whole song, okay? Ready, Amigo? One more time. Sing Rasa Sayang.
Rasa sayang,
So you see that, ladies and gentlemen, you know that you're doing it live. You're doing it live. This is not recorded or anything like that. If the bird doesn't want to do it, we can't follow. But I think, let me ask you, shall we sing it one more time? Yes? Yes, okay. Amigo, concentrate. Sing Rasa Sayang. Sing Rasa Sayang. Oh, you're something to tell about that. Oh, you know what? Rocky is just told me he's celebrating his birthday today. Oh, happy birthday to you, Rocky. Now let me ask, is there anyone else celebrating his or her birthday today, right here? Anyone here celebrating your birthday? Raise your hand. Oh, over there, right at the top. Okay, very good. What about people in the center? Anyone celebrating your birthday? Oh, you? Very good. Okay, what about people here in this section? Who? Which one? Both of you. Okay. Now, why am I asking this question? Because Amigo will be singing the song especially for you. So listen carefully, Amigo. Okay? Now, go to you, Rocky. Ready, Amigo? You have to sing a song for them. Okay? Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
I think Amigo here has done very, very well. But before he goes, one final word. Amigo, what must you say before you go?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
And bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, again for Amigo, our young Nick Amazon. But remember, do not stick your fingers out of there and do not try to stop. You may practice away, sometimes you have to practice yourself as well. So remember, take God first. And during the show, we also have a special promotion going on. Well, look at these mugs that I have here. In our retail outlet, if you buy one, it costs you $12. Here in the show, you buy one, you get one free. So 2 for the price of 1. Only 20 cents. So, first come, first serve. My colleague over there will assist you, okay? It will be on the right. Now, if you like to take home any of our flowers, talking about the form of that, use the horn, picture of this beautiful bag here, to know more about how you will be able to get this bag. Approach my colleague over there as well, and he will tell you the details. Now, with that, we also come to the end of the show. On behalf of our sponsor,